Having a subscribe watermark in the corner of your videos is a great way to boost your subscribers in 2020. So how do you do it? Well, in this video I give you a simple and in-depth tutorial on how to do exactly that. But before we get into it, make sure you smash a like and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my useful tutorials. With that being said, let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is go to your YouTube channel homepage, and from here you need to click the YouTube Studio icon. Once you've clicked that, you should be taken to the YouTube Studio dashboard. You then need to click the settings button in the bottom left, and once you've done that, this screen should pop up. From here, all you need to do is go to the channel section by clicking this button here. Next, go to the branding section, and this is where you'll add the subscribe button to your video. You'll have an option to choose an image, so go to Google Images and type in subscribe watermark PNG 150 by 150. And choose the one you want and save it. Once you've done this, the image you have just uploaded should appear on the demo video here. Now to the side of this demo video is the display time settings, where you can choose when the subscribe watermark actually appears on your videos. You can either press end of video and it will show up right at the end of your video, custom time, where you can set a custom time you want it to show up. This is useful when you want to focus your viewers' attention on your intro, for example. Or you can just press the entire video and it will show for the whole video. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click save in the bottom right, and you have successfully added a subscribe button to all of your YouTube videos. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe with notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one.